Meaning of impalpable.
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 Impalpable. The word impalpable refers to something that is not easily perceived or detected by touch or sight. It is often used to describe intangible or abstract things, such as emotions, ideas, or concepts that cannot be physically felt or touched. For example, love, trust, and faith are impalpable emotions. Similarly, the concept of time and the idea of justice are also impalpable. In essence, impalpable is a term that defines anything that cannot be sensed through the physical senses alone, but requires deeper understanding or perception beyond the surface level.